face, Millie rocking everywhere, dancing all over your grave. It's a cemetery rave, bodies rising from the rest. Got power over them boys, the necromancer's best. The rest are kept secret, coming from the Midwest. Minneapolis, Big Apple got nothing on us. We don't have to rush, you can really take it slow. Moment might not be here, but we sure got room to grow. We the Goldilocks town, not too big, not too small, just the right size to encapsulate it all. I wanna be a part of the art of it all, like the Little Mermaid, a part of your world. Twirling my hair with a rusty metal fork, I call it a pick, cause my hair nappy of course. My lips is chapped down, my elbows ashy, living like I never heard of lotion before. I got baby soft hands though, like the big bad wolf, all the better for grabbing all that ass though. Tell me if you like it, we can take it back to my place. You looking pretty sweet, I'ma serve you on a pie plate. Honestly, why wait? This feels like the right place and the right time for me to go on down past your waist. I'm just here to waste time, boy, you can waste mine. I'll be fine with it, call me up any old time. My number 95256, I was just playing.
What's going on?